Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can repost Instagram story. Alright guys, here I have opened my Instagram application, and if you want to repost someone's story, you have to be tagged in that story. So if you have tagged, you will get notification on your Instagram direct message right here. So just go to your Instagram direct message and then tap on the account who mentioned you or tagged you in a story. So this is the account that tagged me, so just tap on it. Then we can click on the story right here. So just tap on the story and then you can click on add to your story. And before we repost this Instagram story, we can edit the story first. We can add sticker, we can add tags and also music. But if you don't want to edit the story, you can simply click on your story right here, and then the story will be reposted on your Instagram. Alright guys, and that's how we can repost Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.